Okay, so today we're going to be solving exponent equations with a different base. All right, we can say that when the bases are not the same. You can solve by taking the logarithm of each side. If m is equal to n, then log m is equal to log n. Given m and n are positive. So I would recommend you have a calculator out right now so that you can do these calculations with me so we can compare answers. Rounding everything to the nearest 10,000th today. So your calculator should be set to second fix 4. You should have 4 values to the right of the decimal. And we're going to start off by solving something like 3 raised to the x power is equal to 7. All right, if 3 to the x power is equal to 7, our next step is to write these in log form, meaning we're going to write this as x log 3 is equal to log 7. By rule, we can do that. And then we're going to isolate the variable by just dividing both sides by log 3. On the left-hand side, the x falls down, the log 3's cancel. And then in your calculator, in my calculator, I type 7 log divided by 3 log equals, I get 1.7712. Yes, sir. Where did you find the log? On my calculator, it is 4 buttons above the 8, right along the top line. All right, if we get 6 plus 8 raised to the x power equal to 4096. We're going to start off by trying to isolate this variable. We're going to subtract 6 from each side. So we get 8 raised to the x power equal to 4090. I'm going to write them in log form. So x log 8 equals log 4090. And divide each side by log 8. So our x is equal to 3.9993. All right, and again, in your electronic assignment, everything's going to be rounded to the nearest 10,000. So it's important that you're getting the same answer that I'm getting in this practice. Any questions on either of those? Seven minus 5 raised to the x power equal to negative 40. We're going to subtract 7 from each side. So negative 5 raised to the x power equals negative 40 minus 7 is negative 47. All right, so look, if you've got a negative 5 to a power equals a negative, you can divide both sides by negative 1. Or you can just get rid of the negative signs. We write it in log form. So x log 5 equals log 47. And then divide both sides by log 5. So log 47 or 47 log divided by 5 log 2.3922. Getting the idea? 9 raised to the 2y power equal to 66. Write it in log form. So 2y log 9 is equal to log 66. Divide each side by log 9. So our 2y is equal to 1.9068. Now just leave that on your screen. It'll make everything much simpler because we're just going to divide by 2 next. And you don't want to have to retype that in. Okay, so just hit divided by 2 and equals 0.9534. All right, so on my calculator screen, I get 0.9534. For electronic assignment purposes, you would answer just 0.9534. Don't put the 0 in front. There's nothing to the left of the decimal other than a 0. Don't put anything there. Let's look at 20 raised to the 2x plus 2 power equals 140. We're going to write it in log form. So 2x plus 2 log 20 is equal to log 140. Divide by log 20. So this all cancels, and the 2x plus 2 is equal to 140 log divided by 20 log equals 1.6496. And again, leave that on your screen. We're going to subtract 2 from each side. So our 2x is equal to the 1.6496 minus 2 equals, I get negative 0.3504. And then just divide each side by 2. So our x is equal to negative 0.1752. Any questions yet? All right, one more example. We got 3 raised to the 3x minus 4 power, and that's equal to 7. Same process, write it in log form. 3x minus 4 log 3 is equal to log 7. And again, this 3x minus 4 log 3 means 3x minus 4 times log 3, so we divide by log 3. Three x minus 4 falls down, and 7 log divided by 3 log, 1.7712. Add 4 to each side. So 3x equals 5.7712, and then divide by 3. So 1.9237. Anybody have any questions? All right, again, make sure that if you get, a 0.2345, that's just 0.2345 for electronic assignment purposes. 2.3155, all right, or let's say 2.3150 for electronic assignment purposes. It's the same. It's 2.315, and make sure you have the 0 at the end. Anybody have any questions? All right, then your practice for today is going to be on page 473. Problems 15 through 22. And we're on 8 topics this week.